Hello Facebook family, this is Jennifer. I want to show you my do-it-yourself face mask. So just stay tuned, okay? Hey guys, this is Jennifer with another quick video explaining the 3 most simple DIY masks that you can make for covering your face or face coverings. They're very simple, so and I didn't come up with these ideas. 2 of them I didn't come up with, so I'm going to show and link those descriptions and the other YouTube videos of the people who came up with those ideas in the description below. But the first idea I did come up with, and it's very simple. This one is a regular cloth handkerchief. So you want something that's cotton, okay? A cotton handkerchief just like so. And so I'm going to show you what I'm doing right here at the table. So is using a standard handkerchief. This is made out of cotton. You can get these online. You can go to, sometimes you can get them at the dollar store, but you see it's a perfect square. So what I'm going to do to make a mask is to do a diamond shape like this, come down a little bit below and fold it over, and then take it like this and put it around and tie it in the back. That's the most simple mask you can make. Okay? It's the most simple mask you can make. Now, we're not talking about N95 masks or surgical masks, but even with this mask, you can insert a filter inside of here when you tie it around your face, and it'll be snug and it'll give you some added protection. So that's mask number 1. Very simple to make. This is the second easiest mask to make. So what we did to make this mask is take a t-shirt. So you know your standard t-shirt. I have one right here. And what you do, you can do this 2 ways. So I'm going to show you another way you can make this type of mask. But for this mask, you cut off this sleeve here and you open it up, and you cut off this sleeve here and you open it up, and that gives you this shape. Then you cut along the bottom of the t-shirt 2 strips. You can go down here and cut it once and then cut it in half, and that will give you your strings for the side of your mask. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to fold over the material and cut little slits. Cut little slits on both sides. Cut little slits, and then you're going to put that string in there. And then this mask fits over your face like so. Easy peasy. I'll put this information on this below. And the third mask is this mask. Now this one I did sew, but you don't have to sew it. What you can do is glue it down, and what you do is you take part of a t-shirt again. This time it would be the bottom of your t-shirt, and you're gonna cut across lengthwise, and measure enough to fit over your face, and you're gonna fold it in accordion, fold it in half. So when you fold it in half, it'll look like this, and then you're gonna fold it over, and you can hot glue it and put a ponytail holder there or a rubber band. And then what this does is that this mask opens up like this, and it goes over your face like this, and it hooks over your ear like this. Very simple to make. So those are the 3 masks that I found very easy to make, and all 3 you can then insert a piece of filter or something inside so that you can have additional protection. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you next time for the next video. Okay, bye.